Okay, welcome back. This is the Anker Series 7. I just got this on sale at Amazon, and I like Anker products. They're reliable. They're getting better in terms of readouts and power, amount of power that you can get from these devices. Of course, this is a brick. It says here, PowerPort 3, 3-port, 65-watt pod. And so I guess the Series 7, and this one is called the PowerPort 3, 3-port, 65 watts. Might be able to keep my MacBook Pro 14-inch, happy. I don't know if it can keep it on while I'm working, but maybe it should be able to keep it charged at night, maybe. Okay. And here you can see some pictures here. 2 USB-Cs, a phone, a tablet, and your laptop. Okay. Here it is. Oh, wait a minute. No cables. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. That is nice. A lot of packed electronics there. Okay. So IQ3 on both of these, meaning they're like PDs. The 3 tells you like how well, what type of voltage and ampage. This one says IQ2, and I think again it would have been nice. It would be nice if Anker would do the PDs, but they love with their branding. And USB A and 2 USB Cs. And right here, you can barely see it. I can barely see it. Let me see if I can find this one. This one's better. Okay, let's read this. PowerPort through PowerPort Roman numeral 3, 3-port, 65 watt pod. Model A2667. Input 100 to 200 volts and 1.8 amp, 50 hertz. USB-C 1, USB-C 2. You use one port. USB-C 1, USB-C 2. Okay. So here are the outputs for USB-C 1 or 2. 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, 3.5 amps. That's the 65 watt amp max. As for the USB-A, it's 4.5 volts, 5 amps, 5 volts, 4 amps, 5 volts, 4.5 amps, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. So it can negotiate and goes up to 22.5 watts max. Use 2 ports, and all of a sudden 45 watts plus 20 to give you 65. Okay. All that in here. Isn't that incredible? Very nice. What I like about these now than maybe 5 years ago or so, it would be much bulkier, and then it would have a cord, and then you would put it on the socket, which is fine. You wanted to lay it out and then connect it. But these are very portable. These are really nice. much more convenient than, let's say, an Apple plug. I have this Apple one that says it's like 35 watts or something, and it will power my MacBook Pro 14-inch, but this one will do it for sure. And not only that, it has other plugs. I'm not using this particular plug at the moment, but the USB-A, but it's good to have one for your friends, your neighbors, and you never know when you need it. So this is the Anker PowerPort III 3-port 65-watt pod, which is very convenient, very small, smaller than, well, in length, smaller than a pocket knife. This is a Tinker, by the way. So if you're into smaller bricks, this might be something for you. All right. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. If you have one of these, please tell us how you like it. And I hope you have a great semester. All right. Bye-bye.